Okay guys, some times ago I made a video on how you can make money with an account that is on ads limit. Okay, and I also showed you guys some proof of my students that are making money with the accounts that are on ads limit. Okay, so but right now I'm bringing the same site I showed you guys in the last video. Okay, if you take a look at my screen right now, you can see the account. The number of ads you can show has been limited. For details, go to Policy Center. Okay, so before, once your account is limited, you just limit their demands, push traffic to it and allow Google to lift the limit. But currently, you can make money with the account that is on ads limit, okay, safely. Okay, now let me go to the Policy Center and show you guys when this account was limited. So going to the Policy Center, you can see ad timing is currently limited. Review the issue, details and see recommendations, blah, blah, blah. So let me show you guys the date that this account was limited. So this account was limited on the 1st of March. Okay, 1st of March, that was like 2-3 months ago, 2023. Okay, so ever since then I've been making money with this account. Okay, let me go to the payments. Okay, for the month we printed 1,200. Okay, when I did the last video, it was $374, which was paid last 21st, and this month we printed 1,200. Okay, the aim is to hit 1,500 on this account. Hopefully we'll hit that target, or maybe we might not. Okay, so this is just to show you guys that is working. So let me go ahead and refresh it so that you can see that this is not some fake sort of screenshot or screen recording or something. You can see that everything is still intact. The last 7 days we made $1,200. The last payment was 374. Okay, so let me go to the payments. Okay, another good thing about this method is this. There is no deduction at all. Like there is nothing like invalid traffic or invalid earnings or whatever. Okay, everything is valid. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, so this is the payments dashboard. So let me scroll down. Let's view the transactions. Okay, so you can see the last payment was when 21st of May, and see when the money was balanced. Okay, we made 374 and 374 was balanced 0.32 cents. So nothing was deducted at all, and that same exact amount was still paid. So nothing like invalid traffic or whatever. And in April we also got paid, May we got paid, and this coming month you're still gonna get paid. And the account have been on Adsense since March. So please take note of that. Okay, I know this might sound crazy or whatever, but it's real, it's working. Okay, so a lot of people actually messaged me on WhatsApp after I made the first video, and the account is doing amazingly well. Some of them actually, because some people didn't take it serious. Okay, so I'm also showing you guys some other accounts that that I'm using to generate revenue using the same method, and also Facebook arbitrage as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys like 5 to 8 or 10 accounts. I don't know how many I have in this laptop. So this is one already. Okay, this is another one. I'm gonna refresh it so that you can see that everything is intact and it's not some sort of fake screenshot. Okay, today we made about $83 on this account. Yeah, it's $30, and this month we've made 6,400. So this is the second account. Okay, this is the third account. Let me refresh this. Okay, we made 620, and this account is actually on ads limits. Okay, we're gonna use the same method to generate revenue with it. Okay, I was using Facebook Connect before, but not limited. So I'm gonna use the same method to generate revenue on it, and it's quite sick. So this is the third one, and let's go to the fourth one. Okay, this is the fourth one. Let me refresh. Okay, today we made about $72. I stopped working on this because I already hit my target, which was $7,000. But the account is quite strong, so I just continued working on it. And they're pushing it to probably 8,000 or 10,000 before the month runs out. I don't know, any amount to actualize on this account, so be it. Okay, so for the month it was printed about $7,200, and that's the first one. Let's go to the fifth account. So fifth account is doing amazingly well. Let's refresh. Boom. So today we printed about 146. Yesterday was 597. This month was $3,000. And it's quite doing amazingly well as well. So this is a UK account. So let's refresh. $30. Yesterday was 103 pounds. Sorry. So this month we printed about 100 printed about 1,280 pounds. Okay, let's go to another one. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, today we printed $76. Yesterday was 160. This month was 4,000. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's refresh. Today 115. Yesterday 86. This month 6,700. So the reason why I'm showing you guys all this is not to flex or whatever. Like, it's not to show off. Okay, the reason is to show you guys that this is what works, and it's actually possible if you put in the work. Okay, so and also I have a way that I partner with people. Most of these accounts I showed you guys doesn't belong to me personally. Okay, it belongs to some of you guys. Okay, and I made a video in the past where I actually talked about it, how I can partner with you and make money with you. So some of these guys actually reached out to me, and the accounts are getting good organic traffic, and we are partnering. So at the end of the day, we're going to share the revenue. So I'm going to share it to them. Okay, so in case you have any account that is getting good organic traffic and also multiple times payment received, you can bring it on and we can partner and make money together. And that is a good part of it. Okay, you can see this one received $200 in the last payment. We made 6,700. That's almost $7,000. I mean, there's no way he's not gonna get anything from $1,000 upward. Okay, and it's a win-win for him. Okay, so this guy also, the last payment was $103, and now we made 4,000. So there is no way he's not getting anything from $1,000 upward. Okay, so this one too, 193, and we made 1,208. This one, the last payment was 165, and we made 3,000. This one, the last payment was 1,500, and we made 7,000 already. So it's a win-win for everybody. So bring your account that is payment received, and also that is getting good organic traffic. Let's make money together, and it's a win-win for everybody, like I said. Okay, so I don't really want this video to be quite long. So in case you have any account that is on ads limit, I have a method that can help you to generate revenue with it. So you can hit me up on WhatsApp. My number is going to be down there in the description of this video, and we're going to talk business actually. So with that being said, in case you are new to the channel, make sure you drop a like on this video, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at @BeltonTV, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, share this video to anybody that you think might be in the needs, and I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So please stay safe and peace out.